how to automate our data entry form. I have the following information and I want to automate the process. What I'm going to do is to go to my developer, I'm already there, and I'll click on record macro. I'm going to name this macro 4, and I can do Control O for my shortcut. I'll press OK. I will proceed. Insert a new row. Then I'm going to copy this, paste it here but transpose it. Then I'm going to stop my recording. Still in the Developer tab, I'll click on Insert here. I'll click on Form Control. I'm going to create a button here. I will assign macro 4 to the button, click OK. And I'm going to format this. Make it bold, increase font size, OK. Then I will rename this button to Add. So I already did this. Whenever I change this information and click this, it's going to populate this form. So let's say, for example, I just click Add, you can see that it has actually added another row. Let me put Adebayo Femi and change some of the information. So if I click Add, we can see that the information has been entered into the sheet. If I keep on pressing Add, it populating the sheet. That's how to automate our form entry. I just need to input my information here. Click here to add and it automatically filled my form. That's it.